sinabihan ko na rin talaga sila, really, I truly want a trial because I want a bloodbath talaga. Whether guilty man yon or acquittal, I'm already at peace. Because they haven't seen evidence yet, they haven't seen what the prosecutors have, they haven't seen what our defense is. So, parang mali siguro na magbilingan ng boto ng walang trial. They've been very vocal anti-Duterte since birth. Yes. In fact, wala pa sa mapa si dating Pangulong Rodrigo Duterte to become president, ay anti-Duterte na talaga si Secretary De Lima. I have more than a year to really sit down and list down the pros and cons, as I did at 2021 with regard to running for president.